Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to view transactions on Olymp Trade. If you want to check your past deposits, withdrawals or trade activity on Olymp Trade, then you can easily view your transactions. First of all, launch open Olymp Trade app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the wallet button at the top right corner, and in the payments tab at the bottom, click on transactions. You'll then be able to see all of your transactions displayed on the screen, including amount, date, and status. If you don't see any kind of a transactions, then it means you haven't made any. So there you have successfully learned how you can view your transactions in Olymp Trade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.